Hi, so today we'll be talking about black holes and the life and death of a star. So, for the intro, the universe is a vast and mysterious place that is filled with amazing wonders like stars and black holes. In this project, we will explore the life cycle of stars, the different types of black holes, and how they are related to each other. So, in this picture, we could see how the star starts as a nebula and then it goes into the protostar, then the main sequence of a star with high mass, then the sun, a red giant, a red supergiant, a planetary nebula, a white dwarf, supernova, and then into a black hole or a neutron star. So, black holes are one of the most mysterious and fascinating things in the universe. They are objects in space that are so heavy and so dense that nothing, not even light, can escape their gravity. To understand what a black hole is, let's first talk about gravity. Gravity is what makes things fall down when we drop them, and what keeps us on the ground also keeps the planets in our solar system orbiting around the sun. So some more information about black holes. So now imagine you can compress all the mass in the sun into like a size of basketball. That object would have so much gravity that nothing could escape it, not even light. That's what a black hole is, a tiny object with a massive amount of gravity. Black holes are formed when a star dies. When a star runs out of fuel, it can collapse it on itself and become very dense. If the star is heavy enough, it can become a black hole. The gravity of a black hole is so strong that not it can even bend light, making it seem like light is being pulled towards the black hole. So an activity I came up with, so you could just get any computer with internet access. Optional is books and like a book about stars and black holes. I know most people wouldn't have. I know most people have art supplies, so we would use papers, markers, crayons, and paint, whatever you want. And optional is a telescope. Not many people have a telescope, but if you do, great. So the procedure is a life cycle of a star, as you can see in this picture. So start by researching different stages of a star's life cycle. Easiest, use Google, like its birth, main sequence, the red giant, the planetary nebula, and the white dwarf. Then create like a little timeline, like that illustrates this. So like with this timeline, you could like have like dates, or you could have like, okay, so this is where we start, this is where we end, and then write like a short poem like that describes like how the star becomes a black hole. So, in conclusion, we have explored the life cycle of a star, the different types of black holes, and how they are related to each other. By learning about this fascinating phenomenon, we can better understand the mysteries of the universe and the role that stars and black holes play in our evolution. Thank you.